pol-roti.
Yep, pol-roti. Pol meaning coconut. And it is flour, freshly shredded coconut, and salt. That's it. That's all. She mixed it up before I got out here, so I missed that part. We missed the fun. Okay, so she's got it divided into 4 nice balls. And then she's going to fry it up. And this is how she shapes them. I mean, I suppose you could use a rolling pin if you wanted to, but this works well too. Okay, so can you see how it's not very thick? It's say 5, 6, maybe 7 millimeters thick. Okay, my mother-in-law just told me that she also puts about, say, 1 or 2 teaspoons of butter or margarine into the dough. And the frying pan is on. There's no oil or anything in it. So she's dry frying it. And it's a fairly good flame. So call that medium high. And while that's cooking, she's obviously going to form the next one. If you get really close, you can hear the sizzle. And that's how brown you want it to be. I'll get a little closer. Just so you have some reference, you want it to be that soft, but now she's going to be mad at me because I messed up the shape, so I'm going to have to fix it.
Small one, this one, bite.
Ah. Okay, so the first one is done. The second one goes into the pan, and this is what it looks like. So you want it nice and brown, dark brown in spots. And she's forming the next one. What's in the pot? The pot?
Fish curry.
Fish curry. Ah, okay. Is that the parao? The parao?
Yes.
Okay. The fish curry is to go with a coconut roti? The fish curry is to go with a coconut roti?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's breakfast. And there she goes, forming the third one. And here it is. We have the fish curry, parao, with the pol-roti, coconut roti. And when we're done with this, Fahim and I will split the third one, and we will put treacle on it. Treacle is kind of like maple syrup. It's boiled down from the sap of specific palm trees. We prefer kittle treacle, meaning it comes from the kittle palm tree, because it's the best.